What's up, guys? Let's use some Copilot in Power BI. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go to Power BI. Make sure that you have the May version installed, May 2023. As long as you have that installed, the next thing you do is go to your quick measures. Make sure that you have data. You're going to say suggestions with Copilot. With understanding to your data, you want to just go ahead and describe the measure you need. Then we just want to say total flights this year. I want to hit enter, and then we're going to generate. It's going to suggest a measure. It suggested this measure and as well as this measure. We're going to go with this one, total year to date, count rows. I like it. We're going to add, and then we'll just rename this measure to flights this year. After we rename that measure, we can add a visual. I'm going to add this card visual. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. And then I'm going to add in this total flights this year. And there you have it. That is how you use Copilot in Power BI. My name is Carl.